Sunday, 21st of April, 2024. We're going to do another drone. We're going to do another Rad bike ride and review. I need to start getting more detailed. The charging time is about 7 hours if the battery is down, depending on how how much you pedal, how much throttle you use, how much pedal assist you use. You can get up 40-45 miles of charge. There are 5 levels of pedal assist, 7 gears, and then the throttle. Here's the throttle, here are the gears, here's the pedal assist over here. You can see pedal assist 1. I usually like gear 6, pedal assist 1 or 2. But like I say, starting off using throttle. Now I got that Ebike or whatever that mirror name is. It's a very good mirror, but it is a Chinese whatever. But you can get as much or as little exercise as you want with these things, depending on how much you pedal, how much you use throttle, how much you use pedal assist. And of course, we won't need any pedal assist or throttle going down this hill. We're at Traders Hill campsite. We're going down to the St. Mary's River. We're using 0 watts, 6.3 miles an hour. I say 6th gear. No, it shows 7th gear. Now it should be 6th. 6th gear. We're not using any watts of power, just coasting along. So like this, you're not using any of your battery. Not as many people down here today. Boy, this place was really crowded yesterday. 14 miles an hour. This thing will throw you. You getting gravel and stuff down here, it will throw you in a flash. I've come close, but I haven't bit the dust yet. Now, I'm not wearing my helmet today. St. Mary's and the Satilla River, these rivers and streams down here, this dark brackish water, this tannic acid. This is basically a bike review, so we won't stop here right now, or we'll turn it off and stop here, then check it out, do a video with the phone. People leave their trash, but this isn't too bad. Okay, let's turn this off for right now. Okay, starting back up, I think I've got the angle right. It's hard to get the angle right on this head camera. Okay, going up the hill, we are in 6th gear. We're going to probably end up going to pedal assist 3 and using some throttle as well. We're using throttle, 350 watts, 360, 350 watts, pedal assist 1. Also using throttle. Okay, going to pedal assist 2, pedal assist 3. Still using some throttle. No throttle, pedal assist 3, 365 watts. 6th gear. This will give your legs some workout, or mine at least. Like I said, that Ebike, M-E-A-C-H-O-W mirror. Very good little mirror, works really well. Well, we got up the hill without using any throttle. Georgia Public Boat Ramp, Georgia Department of Natural Resources, Wildlife Resource Division. Trader Hill campsite. Cut back to pedal assist 2, pedal assist 1. It's a nice campsite. You have tent camping as well as what I've done there. I get power. I didn't need to get power, but I did. $20 for power and water. 10 primitive tent camping. Up to I think 30 or 35 for full hookups. The little store has not been restocked, so there's nothing to buy there. Nice people. I've been here 2 years now. 2 different years, and they've been here the same. So I think I know they just stay here, live here. There's our van out there under that big oak tree. I'll get the bike rack. I'll ride this bike more. It's not that much trouble to get in and out, but it's just not that convenient. Using 67 watts, pedal assist 1, 10 miles an hour. About to blow her head off. So you can use a little throttle, little assist. Going down this dirt road. 67 watts. This dirt road dead ends, so there's some residential on it. We haven't been out here before. We'll go down to the curve and turn around and come back. It's still showing 5 bars of battery, and it's been months since I charged this. Like I said, I don't use it that often. I'm gonna have to start using it a lot more. $67 watts, 33 watt drops down. Let's put it on 0 pedal assist. Now, no watts. Got a lot quieter, didn't it? I'm gonna have to check this out. I haven't had this thing adjusted. It doesn't seem like it ought to make that much noise. Let's see if it makes a noise with the throttle. Pedal assist 0, no noise. Yeah. Use power or throttle, you get the noise. Or, you know, pedal assist or power. That's a nice place. Okay, we're going to turn around and head back. I haven't encountered a dog problem yet. I know some people have problems with dogs on bikes. Okay, no throttle, pedal assist 1, 67 watts. One person made a comment about the low battery levels or low levels. I don't know what they're talking about. I'll have to do some research and find that out. Let's pull over and let this truck get by. And she also asked about charging time. I said charging time's about 7 hours full of charge if it's about dead. I usually let it go down to 1 bar before I charge it. I don't think I've charged it but once or twice. I haven't, you can tell, don't have that many miles on it, only 80 miles. We're just using throttle right now, 133, 200 watts, 8 miles an hour. We're not going to get goofy in this sand or on the concrete. I do not, even at 5 miles an hour, I do not want to bite the dust. But hopefully y'all are enjoying the little drive down the dirt road and the bike and mirror review. Okay, let's go back to pedal. We're still using pedal assist 1. Little squirrel. We've gotten some interesting video this time. Corn snake. We got 2 A10 warthogs coming down the Satilla River. We've got to download them and work on them in the computer. But we've gotten several good videos, wildlife management areas, a couple of nice drives, night drives, silent drives. Now we're getting bike reviews. Just reviewed a battery powered bug zapper, how well it works. I'm going to review a 12 volt inverter where you've got 3 110 plugs, 2 USBs, one's a 3 amp, one's a 2.4, USB-C, USB-A, and also a 12 volt plug, and it's 175 watt. I haven't used it much, but I'm going to start using it more. Okay, we're back at the campsite. We're going to come in the second entrance down there. So this thing will throw you, especially in little fine gravel like this. The bugs have been real bad here, but that bug zapper has really helped out. Okay, let's wrap this up.